Odds are you are spending too much on Klaviyo. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run a campaign to re-engage a bunch of lapsed subscribers and then to go ahead and suppress them to actually lower your Klaviyo bill. One of the first things I do when I'm auditing any Klaviyo account is I look at their billing and I see how many active profiles they have relative to how many emails they're actually sending. And more often than not, there's a massive disconnect. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check that. I'm going to show you the campaigns that you can send to lower your Klaviyo bill, and then I'm also going to show you how to then go ahead and suppress people after having sent those campaigns. Now, really quickly, you might see some references to school or training modules. It might seem confusing when I'm talking about in this video. That is because this was recorded as part of a training module within my school community. There is a link to that school community in the description of the video. It teaches you everything and anything when it comes to email and SMS marketing. All of my strategies, all of my resources, everything in there. Teaching you how to set up your account, how to run an SMS strategy, how to improve your automations, all that good stuff. If you want to join, link in the description. It is the best money you can spend when it comes to becoming a better email and SMS marketer. Anyway, without wasting your time, let me show you how to do this. Okay, so to figure out how to lower your billing, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go into your settings in Klaviyo and you're going to click billing. What you can see here is that you are paying for active profiles and monthly email usage. Klaviyo charges you according to whichever one you hit first. Very cheeky of them, but nonetheless, what you're paying for more often than not is your active profiles. Very rarely have I seen somebody have more email usage than they have active profiles. So as you can see here, we're about 90% at capacity. But the reality is most of us are not sending to that entire list. Odds are we're sending to an engaged subset of our audience, probably about 20,000, 30,000 of this profile count here. So what we want to do is we want to find a way to take the unengaged people here and go ahead and remove them to lower our Klaviyo bill. But before we do that, we actually want to do the following. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into list and segments, okay? We're going to create a segment. We're going to call this our unengaged segment. So I'm going to go IB-unengaged. Now, you can define unengaged however you want. I define it differently according to every single client that we have. For the case of this video, though, we're going to do the following. What somebody has or has not done, received email, is at least 10 overall time, meaning they've received 10 emails from us overall time. Then what we're going to do, we're going to go and, not or, we're going to go and, what somebody has or has not done, placed order, 0 times overall time, because we don't want to exclude any customers in the case of this client. You might want to. And we go and, what somebody has or has not done, opened email 0 times in the last 90 days, and what somebody has or has not done, clicked email 0 times in the last 90 days. And we can also add one more condition if you want, what somebody has or has not done, active on site 0 times in the last 90 days. This is how we're going to define our unengaged segment. We're also going to add one more condition, and if someone can receive email marketing. That's going to give us a subset of 8,000 people, 8,200 profiles who have received emails from us, who have never placed an order, and who are engaged or unengaged with our email marketing. Really quickly, sorry to interrupt the video. I just wanted to tell you something really cool that we've started doing with Inbox. I've actually created a school community where I teach you anything and everything I know about email and SMS marketing, from really advanced campaign strategies to how to simply set up your Klaviyo account, all the way to building really, really cool automations for the back end of your e-commerce store. Whether you're a business owner trying to learn how to do email marketing or an email marketer trying to learn how to become a better email marketer, there is a link in the description to this school community where I teach you everything I know. Check it out. It's worthwhile. Book a call to have a chat with me to see if you're a right fit for the community. And if you are, I'd love to get you in there. Anyway, sorry for interrupting your video. Let's get back to it. So that's a big chunk of people. If we remove these people, we're probably going to lower our Klaviyo bill by $100 to $200 a month. That adds up. So we're going to click Create Segment. Okay. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna send these two segments, or rather this one segment, two campaigns, okay? I'm gonna call this test, ignore, and we're gonna hit single channel, email, and we're gonna hit continue. We're gonna select the list that we just created. We're gonna create this list, and we're gonna send, turn off smart sending by the way, we're gonna send this segment two plain text emails with an offer in it. These two plain text emails are going to try and re-engage people in this database. The reason we use plain text, meaning emails with no creative, and I'll show you in a second what that looks like, is because plain text typically gets better cut through. The reason we're going to include an offer in these emails is because we want them to have a compelling reason to open and engage with our emails. The moment they engage with these emails, we will then go ahead and automatically remove them, because it's automated, from the unengaged segment up here into our engaged segment within Klaviyo. That means they're going to have more opportunities to re-engage and just basically get our emails because they're now engaged. We are trying to re-engage this segment. Once we send these two plain text emails, and I'll show you how to create them, we will then take the unengaged audience after 48 hours, after they received the second email in that plain text campaign that we're doing, and we will then suppress that audience. What we've then done is we've given the unengaged audience two opportunities to engage with our plain text campaigns, and if they do not, we then go ahead and suppress them. So we go ahead and click next here, and we create a plain text email, which looks like this. Just write it as if you're writing it in a one-on-one conversation. We go, hi, first name. We haven't seen you in a while and would love to give you a 10% off offer to come back to our store. Click here to use it. And then if they click it, we just insert a link. Cool. And if they open it, they're engaged. We create two versions of this email. We go ahead and hit save. Here's the email. And now the sender name, make sure it comes from the founder. So in this case, it's going to be Gavin. And make sure the email, gavin@inbox.co.nz. The reason we do that is because we want the email to seem personal and human, as if it's coming directly from our team. We send two emails to these people. Ideally, the first one goes out, and then 48 hours, the second one goes out to that exact same segment. After the campaigns are done, okay, we then go back into Klaviyo. I'm going to discard the changes here. And then we take that segment 48 hours after the final email has gone, okay, the segment that we just created, and we go list in segments. Where's our unengaged? Assuming it's been 48 hours after we sent the final plain text email, we click the three dots and we click suppress current members. That means that these people have had two opportunities to engage with the plain text emails. If they don't, they're still considered unengaged and we can get rid of them. We want to make an attempt to re-engage these lapsed audiences. Now, yes, you can automate this process using a sunset flow. Check out my video on that. If you're in the school community, there's a video on how to set those things up. If you're watching this on YouTube, cool, just explore my channel. You'll see it in there somewhere. But you're gonna go ahead and suppress them. And then after suppressing them, you go back into settings and back into billing right here. And you'll see your active profile will have dropped, in this case, probably by about 7.5 thousand people, because we've probably engaged an extra 1,000 off the back of that campaign, hopefully. And you can lower your billing to the next lowest plan, which means you're now removing a big chunk of unengaged people who are no longer engaging with your email marketing, and you are also saving yourself a bunch of money. Fantastic. Any questions? Let me know. If you want more strategies like this, check out my school community, link in the description. It's completely free. Completely free. There's got to be a plug somewhere in every YouTube video. Anyway, thanks for watching. Any questions? Let me know. If you want help with your email marketing, join the school community, shoot me a message. I run strategies like this all the time for people.